Hello and happy holidays. I am doing a Whoville theme outside this year, and I wanted to share with you how I'm making a Whoville tree. So I purchased these inexpensive trees, and I'm leaving them all closed up after I put them together. In fact, I had to tie the bottom with jute because I didn't have my husband here to help me today. And then I've got this red rope that I purchased, and I did a slip knot at the bottom before I put it in the stand to hold it. Then I am wrapping the rope around the tree, and this helps keep the branches tight. And you can wrap them, make your stripes as close or as far apart as you want. And so I started it so you didn't have to watch me do the whole thing. But anyway, I have a little extra here. And then after I do the rope, I am starting the lights. And I'm going to leave this at the top because I'm going to plug in an ornament that actually lights up. So let me get this started. And what I do is I'm going in between each of the stripes. And that's also helping hold my branches together tight. And I'm going to kind of stop right there, and I'm going to show you my ornament. Let's see here. And I'm going to get a wire, and I'm going to wire the ornament to the end. And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to plug it in right away. Let's scoot around here. And then I'm going to take the extra cord from this bulb, and that lights up. And you could use one that doesn't light up if you wish. And I'm going to back this up a little bit here to show you. I'm going to use my set of lights to hide my cords. So I'm going to tuck them underneath my cording and underneath my lights to just camouflage it. The back side will not show. So I'm just folding it up and tucking it under the cording. You could also wrap the branches around it, whatever you want to do. I'm getting a little twist tie and tying this together. And then I'm going to tuck it under so you can't see it, because like I said, this will be the back side of the tree. And then I'm just going to continue to wrap my lights and pull my branches down. Have to watch it or they'll be tangled up around the base. If for any reason this doesn't make sense to you, feel free to reach out and ask me any questions. I also share a lot of DIYs on Instagram, and I have a blog and an online store at decoratingwithdebbie.com. Love to see you there. And so anyway, this ends up being almost perfect for the lights. So I'm just wrapping the extra around, and I will wire those off. Then what I'm going to do is I bought these inexpensive flower pots, and I'm going to fill it with sand in the bottom and then rocks, and have the actually the tree stem in there. I'll take the base off, and then this will hold it tight when it's outside, all the weight from the rocks. And then I'll plug it in, and I'll share with you what it looks like on one of my posts. Hope you find that helpful.